सहकार्य करा. पत्रकार बंधू भगिनींची उपस्थिती मोठ्या प्रमाणात आहे, त्या सर्वांचे स्वागत करतोय. आमदार, खासदार, मंत्री महोदय यांना येण्यासाठी जागा द्या, थोडं सहकार्य करा.
All right, well, the 6 rebel MPs from Shiv Sena UBT are addressing a press conference to confirm their switch to the Eknath Shinde-led faction. We're going to cut across, and you can see those visuals also coming in. My colleague Shweta is joining us on the broadcast to talk more about this. Shweta, more or less confirmed now that this is a big setback for Uddhav Thackeray, and this also seems like deja vu for him.
Well, absolutely. This is a double whammy for him. Remember, with huge setback, his actual and the ground political base is also shattered. With 9 MPs he had, remember, out of which 6 MPs are joining formally Eknath Shinde camp. What worse can happen to a political party? In fact, I'll show you where we are present. This is YB Chavan, remember, the hot spot, the epicenter of the political drama unfolding today. And just a short while back, we have seen rebel MPs with Y+ security have marked their presence here. A short while back, they arrived here, and in some time we'll be seeing the press conference that would be underway. But here outside, you can see the kind of visuals what we are showing to our viewers speaks for themselves. Here we see heavy police deployment, where police is so large in numbers, and of course the office bearers and the party leaders who are said to be in thousands in numbers. In fact, Vishnu is panning the camera, showing you minute-to-minute updates from here, all the live action that is happening at the hotspot YB Center. If you ask me whether it's a big setback, more than a big setback, Uddhav Thackeray camp has to now, politically, he has to arrange the entire dynamics that how are they going to move ahead. Only with 3 MPs and less than 10 MLAs. Now, remember, when it comes to Uddhav camp, they have been time and again, they were refuting to such Operation Tiger that has taken place. But today is the day where we are seeing that it has converted into reality, where formally these rebel MPs are getting inducted. Remember, this day holds significance not only for UBT camp as a setback, but also to Eknath Shinde camp. And we are also being joined by our senior correspondent, Mr. Shahid Ansari. He has been minutely tracking the all political developments that has been happening. शाहिद जी, ये बताइए, एक सुबह से ये पूरा ड्रामा हम देख रहे हैं अनफोल्ड हो रहा है, लेकिन ये कितना बड़ा झटका उद्धव के खेमे के लिए है?
देखिए, सियासत में इस तरह की जो चीज़ें हैं, ये ड्रामेबाजी के बिना शायद सियासत ही नहीं है. और महाराष्ट्र की सियासत में जो चीज़ें आपने देखी हैं, शिवसेना का एक लंबा चौड़ा इतिहास रहा है, लेकिन सबसे बड़ी बगावत जो आई है 2022 में आई, वो बगावत का जो आलम लहराने वाले थे वो एकनाथ शिंदे ही थे, जिसमें उद्धव को अपनी कुर्सी खिसकते दिखाई दी. अब पूरी तरह खिसक गई, फिर एकनाथ शिंदे मुख्यमंत्री बने. दूसरी सबसे बड़ी बगावत फिर उन्हीं के जरिए हुई है. अगर शिवसेना का इतिहास आप देखेंगे, और इस दौरान जो बगावत हुई वो उनकी तरफ से हुई है. और इस बार जो हुई है, तो इस बार तो ऐसा हो गया है कि उद्धव का जो अस्तित्व है, सियासी अस्तित्व और दूसरे अस्तित्व की बात करें, जो वजूद है, वो पूरी तरह से अब ख़त्म होते दिखाई दिया. आज उनके 6 विधायक यहाँ आए हैं. अब उनके पास जो बचे कुछ लोग हैं, अब उनकी बुनियाद पर, हालांकि उन्होंने कहा है, उद्धव ने जो उनकी